So I'm glad to see you in the last module of the Python series. Thank you for your support in the previous 17 modules. And now I'm going to give you a conclusion and also give you some advice in case you want to learn more. So let's get started. The first module provides basic information about the series of videos and Python, including structure of the series, advantages of using Python in programming, and how to use Jupyter and Colab for coding. The second module covers basic operation in the Python environment, including introduction of variables, arithmetic operators, and some simple built-in functions. The third module illustrates how to use conditional operations and loops, including how to use if statement, how to use else and else if statements, how to draw a flowchart for our program, how to use while loop and the break function, and how to use for statement. The fourth module discusses how to store data using lists, including the basic use of lists, commonly used methods, how to create a two-dimensional array, and how to make a copy of an existing list. The fifth module talks about how to define a function, including the rationale behind creating a function, how to use define statement, the meaning of local and global variables, and the use of wait statement. The sixth module introduced several important libraries, including math, statistics, random, datetime, re, numpy, pandas, OpenPyX, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and sklearn. The seventh module shows how to input and output a file from the program, including uploading a file to Colab, using a file in Jupyter, and how to use file object functions. The eighth module introduces NumPy library, including how to import NumPy, how to load a file, how to create and reshape an array, how to copy and slide an array, how to merge and compare two arrays, how to select elements from an array, how to perform mathematical operations, and how to perform statistical operations. The live module introduced several important libraries, including how to import pandas, how to import a dataset, how to use pandas data reader, how to create a series, how to create a data frame, how to use basic method for pandas. The 10th module shows how to clean a dataset, including displaying a data frame, getting basic information, dropping duplicate records, transposing a data frame, filtering a data frame, modifying a specific record, deleting an incomplete record, deleting a specific column, and deleting a specific row. The 11th module explains how to consolidate a dataset, including adding new columns, adding new rows, converting a string to a number, extracting numbers from a string, and splitting a column. The 12th module talks about how to conduct summary statistics, including importing a file and library, transforming the format of data, extracting a subset of a data frame, conducting summary statistics, and answering specific questions about a dataset. The 13th module explains different types of visualization, including basic plot, bar chart, histogram, box plot, scatter plot, pie chart, count plot, distribution plot, join plot, pair plot, and heat map. The 14th module discusses the method to conduct a regression analysis, including simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, and logistic regression. The 15th module introduced some simple time series analysis, including moving averages, candlestick pattern, and autoregressive model. The 16th module gives a taste of machine learning, including introduction to machine learning, training data, testing data, and application. The 17th module introduced algorithmic trading, including introduction to algorithmic trading, backtesting, performance metrics, and optimization. If you are interested in learning Python in your study, career, and investment, you can consider the following to continue your road to becoming an advanced Python user. First, watching online Python teaching videos, taking Python related courses from Coursera, and working with real data. So thank you again for watching the 18 modules, and I hope that you enjoyed the process and know more about Python. So thanks again, and looking forward to see you in the future. Goodbye.